Huyo mdogo huyo. Hata yeye si rahisi. Ndio ndio mdogo wana para kwa darasa. Kita kena lagi juga. Sudah gini nama ya. Ini.
Inakunywa kando, inafinya iko sawa sasa. Haiko imeingiza mdomo kwa hiyo nyanya.
Aliingiza
pembeni. Hizo zimemaliza.
Nada huyo. Kwa ya biashara. Pasara. Alikujia sasa weka dawa.
Sina, wanafikiria inabeba ni dawa. Ni maziwa hii. Sasa iko sawa.
Leta. Kita kita guna apa mata? Kita guna apa namanya? Nama ada yang guna apa segera aku cerita tu.
Western je tak?
Ya.
Kalau kau nyuruh manyo mau ke Western je tak marah kan teh boy for a long time.
Ada. Oh ya tahu kan? Ibu tunjuk kakek saya nanti. Anu dah.
Nama dia? Matu aku tarang kuna, ya kau flow aku kemarau aja. Ya kau flow aku kemarau aja. Mai kecil? Oh, tak.
Jangan marah.
Hello, good and wonderful people. So today basically is a day that we're going to learn a lot of things. For those who are keeping livestock, especially the cows. So today I'm going to show us how dehorning in a modern technology is being done compared to the olden traditions, olden days, so that we get to know how the technology has advanced to some level that we no longer require some inhumane methods, but actually what is being done here is very safe and pain-free. So let us see what is happening so that we get to understand how dehorning is being done using a dehorning paste. So what you can see here, this is an environment of calf pen where we have several calves here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 calves over here. So we will be starting with one by one. You can see they look very good. They like people, and so we can proceed from that point. Let us see the way it is being done so that we can really appreciate what is happening. And basically this is our paste. This is our paste that we are going to, it is going to be used today. Yeah, this is the paste, and the person in charge will be telling us what it entails, and we get to learn a lot of things from this. Yeah. So the first procedure that you can see over here is this one, yeah. And basically the first procedure before anything is restraining the animal. So you can see the calf has been restrained. Then they are shaving the hair on the hornbud so that we can expose the hornbud. Remember, we are not supposed to put any injury. So something like blood should not be seen, because the paste will actually will be very bad when you expose it to blood. Let us see what is happening so that we get to know, we get to learn a lot of things, guys. So that is shaving ongoing. These other calves here are on the line. These ones are on the line. They'll be done the same thing that applies here. So we can now have a look at after shaving what is left. Remember, guys, the paste should be done in a round, we call it round nature, in a coin shaped, so that is around 4 mm in length. If there is one of the toughest animal to restrain is calves, because you know they are very aggressive. They can turn you upside down. I have friends who have been injured with calves as compared to the bigger animals. So this is just normal. These others are just playing here, trying to get some milk to feed themselves.
Sitaki kumiss. I don't want to miss it. Shakuja. Okay. I think continue kami mo ito.
Yeah, Steven, you can introduce yourself on the camera. Where's Steven? Introduce hapa. This is Mr. Steven laughing here. Steven?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Good evening. My name is Steven.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, dehorning, using dehorning paste. Okay. Yes, Daktari.
Yes, I am Mutai Safania.
Yes.
from Atlantic Lake Sands.
Yeah.
We are actually doing dehorning using dehorning paste.
Yes.
We have a very good dehorning paste here called
Yeah.
Remove Horn Paste
Yes.
from Atlantis. Very
Okay.
effective for calves
Yeah.
from day 1 up to 8 weeks.
Oh, 8
Thank you
weeks.
so much.
Okay. So guys, this is what is being done, and you have heard it very well that dehorning paste is being applied to animals from 1 day to 8 weeks of age. That is what Mutai has told us. And basically this YouTube channel, we are learning a lot of things. For those who have never used dehorning paste, that is the way it is being used. And actually nowadays people are actually using the dehorning paste to remove hornbird in the animals, and it works very well. There is nothing, let's say, when it comes to pain. It is zero pain, just some irritation. Once the animal has been put the paste, you can see some slight irritation, but in the next few minutes the animal will be well. There is no side effect about it, but somebody has to be conscious enough, because when you are making shaving, make sure that there is no blood, because when there is any kind of blood, when the paste gets into the blood, it deals that it can go to the system, and it is very toxic and it is very dangerous. So make sure when you are shaving that. That's why we usually say that you have to get a qualified person to do everything in your farm. Don't say that this thing is much easy, that you can do it by yourself, but it is very easy, but it is very conscious. If you don't use the trained personnel, you'll be actually ruining the life of your calves, and that is what I can really say. So let us go be conscious, let us know how to use it, let us implement the usage, and from this lesson we'll be learning a lot of things. Actually be learning a lot of things, guys.